Rahu.
Surya, if grandma slaps us, what we have do?
Oh, Raghu, I am absolutely sorry. Please forgive me.
Oh, grandma, don't talk like this.
Grandma, we are your grandsons. You have the rights to scold your grandsons. Don't feel about it.
Yes, Tamil. Maha asked us to come to her house. So tomorrow you, Surya and me go to Maha's house. Is it okay for you, Tamil?
Okay, Rahu.
Tamil, you go to Maha's house. We have a small work in the nearby shop.
Nothing. You are looking like my doctor, Maha.
Yes, auntie, I don't know how it is possible, but it is true. Tamil auntie.
Tamil, you also my doctor. Tamil, when I touched you, my intuition said to me something. I don't know what it tried to say to me.
What?
Yes, Tamil, who is your mother?
Auntie.
Excuse me, auntie.
Oh, you also Maha's friend? Am I right?
Yes, auntie. Where is Maha?
Maha is in her room.
Hello, auntie.
Surya, welcome. Come inside.
Auntie, did you know Surya already?
Yes, I know. He is also my son.
What? Then Gauri auntie?
Hello, boy. Gauri is my elder sister.
Oh, really, Surya? Why did you didn't say that to us? Have I told this to you? I don't know. Maha is my sister.
How, Surya? Really you saw Maha first time yesterday only?
Yes.
But how? Why?
Because of us.
How, auntie? Tamil, Rahu. Maha's father and my father were brothers. Likewise, they married both the sisters. We all live in the same house.
Yes, Surya's father always strict and a correct person. He didn't like such a small mistake. But one day...
Few years back. Sakti, today I had an important work in my office. So please deposit this 5 lakhs cash prize in a bank. But bro, I had no time to do that.
Please, Sakti, do for your brother.
Okay, because of your words. Sakti, I again and again say to you, be safe because it is a huge money. Mind it. Okay, bro.
Sister, in this place, no family is with brothers and sisters. My only wish is we all live together till end.
Venba, confirmly we live together. Don't feel.
Venba, I lost that suitcase. What can I do now? Oh no.
What happened, Sakti? Say.
Venba, when I went to the bank, a thief thefted my suitcase and ran. I tried to catch him, but he pushed me and ran.
Sakti, don't feel. It's not your fault.
No, Venba, my brother scolded me too much. What can I do? Sakti, you came? Why did you came early? Brother.
Rajesh, Sakti lost that suitcase. One thief thefted that money and ran away.
What? What did he done? It's my 3 years saving. I saved this money for our son's future. But he... Sorry, brother. Sorry? Your sorry will give my money? Say, it give my money? No, brother, but... I say now, when you will return my money, that day only I talk to you.
Brother, don't talk like this.
I talk like this only. Out, get out of this house.
Why we can go?
Venba, don't talk against my brother. Oh, then me and Gauri will go from this house.
No, brother, no. We go from here. You live here.
Rajesh, calm down. Venba and me were sisters. We can't live far from each other. What we have done?
Gauri, you want your sister means you go with them. Otherwise, stay here.
Okay, Rajesh, I stay here.
Sister!
Venba.